Hello everyone and welcome. This is JC and you are watching a SkyTech presentation on hosting and deploying Blazor WebAssembly app in IIS. For this presentation, I am on a Windows 10 PC and will be using Visual Studio 2019 version 16.6. So let's get started. As the first step, I fire up my Visual Studio, create a new project, search the Blazor project template, select it and hit next. Then I give a name like Blazor Full Stack App, as I am going to check all the options for a full stack web development experience using .NET. I select my target folder, click next, and then I see two options. I select the second option, which is Blazor WebAssembly. So I click create. Great! We have a multi-project solution ready. You will see that there are 3 projects in the Solution Explorer since we checked in ASP.NET Core hosted option. So let's run the app in debug mode. Awesome. We see the app in action in no time. As the next step, let's publish the app. I click on build, select publish option, select my release folder which I've already created, and then hit the publish button. Published. Now let's peek into the release folder structure. Now let's fire up the IIS and create a website there. Let's give a name to the site. Test site is good, I hope. I map the release folder to the site and also give a host a name. And then I click OK. Now let's try to run the site from IIS. Oops, there is an error. DNS is not able to resolve the host. To set it right, I'm going to point the host to localhost in Windows 10 host file as follows. Done. Let's rerun the site from IIS. The DNS host resolution issue is gone. But now we have a different error, and this error is related to some missing packages in IIS. And now here's what we need to install to achieve our goal. The first missing package is the URL rewrite. The second missing package is the .NET Core Hosting Bundle. I have copied both the links in the description for your reference. I've also copied both the links in a notepad myself for quick action in the browser address bar. You can enjoy some background music while I go ahead and install them in my system. Done. Let me now reboot the PC for the changes to take effect in IIS. So we are back in action. Let's rerun the site from IIS after installation of those two packages. Voila! Mission accomplished. So that's it for this video. I will be coming back with more videos on Blazor WebAssembly architecture, debugging, super features, state management, JavaScript interrupt, authentication, globalization and localization, and so on. If these interests you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. Thank you for watching.